At Glide, we believe that everyone should have the power to build their own software. We make it simple so you can focus your expertise on building the tools that are useful for your workflow. We've always thought about building software as having three pillars: data, layout, and action. Our customers love working in the data editor, building with effortless layout systems, and adding essential actions to let their users interact with their data more meaningfully. The magic comes, though, when you can build tools that connect and communicate fluently with all of the other ways that you work. Today, we're bringing an unprecedented level of connection and integration to Glide with an entire suite of business integrations and a totally rebuilt action editor. We've carefully crafted an initial set of 18 integrations to help you connect your app to the tools that you use most, communicate faster, get data in and out, and just truly make your Glide apps the command center for your work. We've also rebuilt the action editor from the ground up and brought it to the forefront of Glide, making it easier and faster. You can now build complex workflows right inside Glide and reuse those actions wherever you need in your app. We're launching today with 18 of the most requested tools, but this is just the start of what we'll bring in the future. Check out the new Action Editor today and start connecting your apps with the world. We can't wait to see what you build.